From the opening screen of the AMTAS software, press the Get Started button to begin the test. Depending on the configuration, a few preliminary screens may appear prior to the test instructions. For example, the patient may be asked to enter their demographic information or perform the headphone check. Each preliminary screen will require the patient to press Continue in the lower right corner of the screen. Be prepared to show the patient where to touch the computer screen. This will be helpful as they proceed through the evaluation. The instructions will be displayed immediately before the AMTAS evaluation starts. If the test instructions are displayed, ensure the patient has time to review them before he presses Continue to the test. If the video instructions are displayed, AMTAS will begin testing automatically at the end of the instructions.